Giggles and grapes.
Let's learn about 10 countries and their 5 famous things. The first country is Pakistan. Faisal Mosque. It is located in its capital named Islamabad. Salt mines. The famous pink salt comes from here. Halaji Lake, a beautiful freshwater lake in Thatta. K2, second highest mountain in the world. Truck art. Isn't it fantastic? Who's next? This is China. Now, let's learn about 5 famous things in China. The Great Wall of China, one of the 8 wonders in the world. Martial arts. There are 180 styles of martial arts. Noodles. Who doesn't love noodles? Giant panda. How cute. Terracotta army. They were found by accident. This is India. Now let's find out more about India's famous things. Taj Mahal, a symbol of love. Indian food. Yummy. Spices. They have unique aroma. Diamond mining. And upcoming next is Bollywood. It's a film industry. Now, let's learn about the famous things from Brazil. Are you ready, kids? Iguazu Falls, one of the most spectacular waterfalls in the world. Christ the Redeemer. It's a big statue believed to be of Jesus. Football, a popular sport there. Amazon rainforest. It's the largest rainforest. Sugarloaf cable car. That's 5 famous things for Brazil. Now, let's hop on to United States of America. The Grand Canyon, a deep, narrow valley with steep sides and often with a stream flowing through it. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Baseball. Most Americans consider baseball as the national game of USA. Hollywood. It's a film industry. And cultural diversity. Different people from different parts of the world together. Time to switch to United Arab Emirates. Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Sheikh Zayed Mosque, one of the world's largest mosques. Ferrari World, the world's first Ferrari-themed park. Burj Al Arab, the world's only 7-star hotel. Dubai Mall, one of the world's largest shopping mall. This is Canada, and the first famous thing we will learn about it is the maple syrup. Ice hockey. Niagara Falls. It has the world's highest flow rate. Northern Lights. They are magical natural phenomenon. Poutine, a dish of chips topped with cheese curds and gravy. This is Australia. It is famous for Great Barrier Reef. It contains the world's largest collection of coral reefs. Beaches, clean and beautiful. Sydney Opera House, a multi-purpose performing arts facility. Great Ocean Road, permanent memorial to those who died while fighting in World War I carved in rock. Uluru, large rock formation in Central Australia. Russia, and its 5 famous things are the State Hermitage Museum, one of the world's richest collections of Western European paintings. Moscow Metro. It was the first underground railway system in the Soviet Union. Russian dolls, brightly painted and hollow from inside. St. Basil's Cathedral, most famous artistic work of architecture. Red Square. Let's learn about the next country. This is Iran, and the 5 famous things are architecture. It is also known as Persian architecture. Crafts. Persian carpets are famous amongst them. Goldstein Place, also known as the Rose Garden Palace from Persian language. Literature. Iran is also famous for its poetry. Music. That's it for today, kids. Hope you enjoyed it. This video is in collaboration with Kokomo and Candyland Bubble Pop.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.